Ka Meecl kala Pyntikna baka Jingkieng dam kadang long ka Shngaiñ ban Iaid kali bat lamaramot ya ka bandang ne sakumba saupo hadu san posnem. U chairman bat managing director jongka Meecl u Sanjay Goyal u laong bala penlong ya ka jinglet jurem bat ki technical expert bat don kam ban maramot ya ka kenang bakan ne slem. Ka Indian Institute of Technology KHASI Kaba jurep bat maramot ya kani ke Jingkieng kala ai jingmod ban khang Iaid ya ki kali he na kani ke Jingkieng hado ban daladep ban maramot ya ka slab pati ubim.
Various forums this issue has been raised about the safety of the. I would like to very clearly mention here that both the structures, the bridge and the dam, are safe. We have conducted a lot of studies with all the expert agencies as far as these two structures are concerned. Of course, over a period of time, they require rehabilitation. Over a period of time, they require maintenance, and over a period of time, they require certain inputs in terms of their increasing the life.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala thrang ban penlong